There's a watch that I hope to someday earn the privilege to wear, and it's this, the Rolex Submariner Green Dial. It goes by two nicknames, Hawk for obvious reasons, and my preferred one, Green Money. I covet this watch not only because of the fact that having a Rolex strapped on my arm would immediately imply that I have achieved a modicum of success in life, but also because it's green, my favorite color. I absolutely adore the color green, and I sometimes go out of my way to have the color represented in the things around me. From the clothes I wear and the clothes hangers that I live on in my closet, my preferred snacks, these are great by the way, my guitar picks, the batteries inside my vape, and even the charger for my old iPad that I use as a CCTV baby monitor. They are all draped in the color of nature. So imagine my delight when NuPhy contacted me to say that they're sending over a Christmas keycap set. And when I saw the photos attached to the email, I knew I just had to have them. This is the NuPhy Studio Coast PBT Christmas keycap set. Let's have it unboxed and installed on my Air75, shall we? Before we continue with this video, I would just like to remind you that if you're enjoying this content, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm a solo content creator and I do all this to make sure that all of you are informed about the products you're about to purchase. Every subscription is important and valuable to me, as it helps keep this channel running. Thank you. Now, on to the video. So the unboxing experience is straightforward as one can get. The keycap set comes in two transparent boxes. It says here that they're made for the Air75 and Air60 keyboards. Let's take them out of the box. The keycaps are held in place by a plastic mold tray, with another piece acting as a cover to protect the keycaps from bumps during shipping. I prefer this method over some keycap sets that you can buy from other brands, with the keycaps inside a carry bag. Having the keycaps in a tray reduces the risk of the keys scraping, potentially damaging each other or the print. As we can see here, it looks like there are two different hues of green in this set. This set on the left in a much more lush green, the escape, enter, and spacebar keys are in this bright red, and the icons of the function row are in yellow. Little things to note here are the custom snowflake print on the escape key, and the little elf hat on the Cortana key. That's a cute detail. On the right set, these seem to be a complement to the original Coast keycap set that came with the Air75. It's of the same green-blue hue as the original escape key. One thing to note though, they still have the same yellow icons on the function row and that little elf hat Cortana key like the Christmas set. Alright, that's everything in the box. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to install these light green ones first since I feel they're more an alternate to the original Air75 set. We'll see how that looks, then after that I'll take everything off, give the Air75 a little overdue cleaning, then install the complete Christmas set. Alright, let's get to it. Just a little note here, I'm listening to The Shape of Punk to Come by Refused while changing out the keycaps. How about you guys? What do you listen to when changing out your keycaps or doing maintenance on your keyboards? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you guys are listening to. So here's the Air75 with the alternate light green set. It replaces all the gray concrete colored keycaps of the original set, and I think it looks great. It does lose the two-tonedness between the white and gray keycaps of the original set, but it does look a lot more relaxing with this hue of green. Alright, I'm going to throw on some new background content and replace all of the keycaps with the Christmas set. Let's go. Alright, the keys are now replaced with the Christmas set, and they look amazing. This tickles my fancy so much. Finally, I've got a green keyboard, and I'm super happy about it. Thank you, NuPhy, for sending this in. This set has finally cemented the Air75's position as my main keyboard. So that's my unboxing, installation, and first impressions of the NuPhy Studio Coast PBT Christmas keycap set. Do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments. As always, if you like watching straight to the point content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It helps out a lot. Thank you. My previous video was my unboxing of the KZXCRN ZEX Pros in-ear monitors. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.